Now I'll introduce an amazing electric two-wheel locomotive Ecooter. It is a piece of perfect work in terms of the vehicle model design, performance configuration, and driving experience. As you can see, the streamlined body of Ecooter is round and plump, with multiple body colors. It is fashionable and concise, with the sense of science and technology. And our biggest pride is the powerful dynamical system of Ecooter. Ecooter adopts the high-speed Gerbu mid-set electrical machine. From 0 to 50 kilometers an hour, the instant acceleration only takes 4.5 seconds. The highest speed per hour may reach 90 kilometers per hour. Meanwhile, its endurance mileage also reaches up to 150 kilometers. With the excellent dynamical performance, its energy derives from the lithium battery system of Ecooter. The ultra-high energy intensity provides the continuous power. Despite its big energy, it has a small weight and fast charging. The battery of Ecooter is only 14 grams, which is very convenient to change. Ecooter is charged very fast, which may only take the time of your appointment. In terms of driving experience, Ecooter is designed through ergonomics. The scientific and reasonable body structure lowers the gravity center and reduces the risk of slide slip. The widened and thickened bearing cushion easily carries people. Meanwhile, we choose the semi-hot melting tire with stronger road holding. It absorbs shocks along with the single arm of the same structure with the Warcraft undercarriage. It can easily get through the bumpy road. In order to realize 360-degree safety warning, Ecooter is installed with the LED front headlight with the strong penetrating power. It works with the surrounding LED taillight, thus greatly improving the warning scope. Of course, despite the excellent lighting system of Ecooter, we still suggest you to slow down if you drive at night. LED display screen of Ecooter has the digitalized dial plate with the strong sense of science and technology. It is fashionable and plain, showing the clear driving information. The multiple color-changing screen display customizes your exclusive style. Finally, we also install many practical accessories on the car body, which you have to explore and experience in person. Next, it's time to drive your Ecooter.